In this tutorial, you will learn how to send silent messages on Instagram. This feature lets you send a direct message without making a notification sound on the recipient's device. This can be useful if you want to chat with someone discreetly or not disturb them with loud notification sounds. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to your DMs. After that, tap and select the person to whom you want to send a silent message. Then tap here, and then type in the backslash. Now you'll see this option: Silent Send Messages Without a Notification. Just tap on it, then type in your message, and tap Send. This message will be sent to them silently without any notification. This is exactly how you can send silent messages on Instagram. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.